I mean, where in London do you come from?
I come from Hartness Green.
Is that near London Eye?
No, neither. It's about 30 minutes from the central of the city if you go by train. Hartness Green isn't so far from Arsenal's and Tottenham's football stadiums.
Wow, that's brilliant.
I suppose it is.
Do you like to watch football?
I saw Arsenal's last year, but I don't go very often. Seldom actually.
What do you think about London?
It's great. Some department stores and shops are open all night. And it's a beautiful city, especially for tourists. Big Ben, the Tower of London. What was it? Cyborg and Piccadilly Circus, and it's a
There.
lot.
And there.
And there is a lot, and there is a lot, and there are a lot of museum tree well known museum trees to visit. Oh yeah.
It sounds pretty good.
But it is called too many. But there's too many cars. London is not very clean. And what is that? Kommer på snart. And there's two men, and there's traffic jams all the time.
That's too bad. It's time to go back in. Okay, see you later.
Sure, bye now.